Hi, my name is Kat and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thank you for joining us for this month's Creativity Corner. We're going to be talking a little bit about an artist named Claude Monet. And Monet was the founder of what's called the Impressionist movement, which pretty much means that he didn't want everything to look photorealistic and perfect. He just wanted to make sure that you got the impression of what he was painting. And he also liked to paint things at different times of the day. So you'd see all the different colors in the morning and in the afternoon. And one of his most famous paintings, of course, was that of a bridge with water lilies in the water. And today we're going to be making our own version of an Impressionist water lily painting. For today's art project, we need a paper plate, some glue and scissors, crayons in various blues and greens. I've also got a gray and a white in there. Some pink tissue paper and some green construction paper. The first thing we're gonna do is take our crayons and scribble all over this plate. We're gonna use all the different blues and greens and all the colors and see if we can make this look like water. I think that looks pretty good. You can really see all the different waves and the grass and the things that are growing in the pond. So this is my pond water here. And the next thing we're gonna do is take our green paper and cut out some kind of circle shapes. They don't have to be perfect. These are gonna be our lily pads. So they're circles and they kind of have a wavy edge on one side. There we go. We'll make a few of these. That one looks kind of like a jelly bean. And how about we'll make one more. We can go ahead and glue these down with our glue stick. There we are. The next thing we're gonna do is take some of our tissue paper. We have it in squares here. And I'm gonna move this like that. So the corners of the squares are in different places, like a diamond on top of a square. And then right in the middle, we're gonna pinch it down like that. And that is gonna be our water lily. We're gonna put some glue down and glue this right down here. Push right in the middle. There we are. We'll do one on this water lily as well. So again, we have our square. Put this like a diamond on top. Pinch right in the middle. There we go. Glue that right down. And I'm gonna put my finger inside there and make sure that sticks really well. There we go. We have our water lilies. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun and enjoyed making your own Impressionist water lily artwork. Thank you for joining us at Creativity Corner. You can follow us here on YouTube for lots of other arts and crafts videos, and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. Have a wonderful day.